Why? I'm sorry. But as you can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be discussing how cosmetics can be unsafe, but I'm going to give you 5 ways to have better, safer beauty options. Stay tuned.
We're living our best life. No matter what comes, gotta keep on pressing on. We're living our best life. Keep our heads to the sky, we're gonna make it if we try. We're living our best life.
I know. Just as you started to live a more healthier lifestyle, you started eating better, you started working out, started zenning, meditation, yoga, then to find out that what you put on your body is just as important what you put in your body. I know, but studies have been shown that your skin can absorb chemicals and it can take less than 30 seconds for it to reach your bloodstream. So imagine having toxic ingredients in your products and it being absorbed into your bloodstream. Imagine your lipstick that you ingest unintentionally at times getting into your mouth and into your body. Imagine that the powders that you put on your face getting inhaled. These are things that we should be aware of. There's many factors that go into the absorption rate and what can be absorbed and the effects of these chemicals. All of this stuff varies, but why chance it? So I have 5 ways for you to be more aware and to decrease harmful chemicals in your beauty regimen. 1, be aware what's in your products. Read the ingredients before you purchase it. Just as if you're buying food and you're looking at the ingredients list, the first ingredient is what's highest in that product and the last is what's least. So if you have a high percentage of a specific chemical that you know causes harm and you're trying to stay away from, try to stay away from that product. 2, do your research. Here's a list of certain chemicals that can cause harm to our body depending on dosage and how much we are around them. So do your research on what they do, how they affect you, and what dosage is needed to cause such effects. I often use either a website, which I'll list in the description box below, or a couple of apps that will, if you put in the name of the product that you're looking to purchase, it'll give you their safety ratings. So it comes in handy. 3, try to stay with natural products. For example, my skincare regimen is completely natural. If you guys want to see what I do for my skincare regimen, comment below and I'll give you all the details. But there's ways to make your own products, or you can buy brands that market natural, all natural products. 4, try to find alternatives. There's other brands that may not market all natural products, but some of their products are safe. So you can read their ingredients, see if they're safe for you, if they're effective. Why not go with that brand or that product over another product that you're used to wearing? And 5, decrease exposure. So if you know there's a product that you must have because it keeps you all type of popping, decrease the amount of times that you wear it. You might not want to wear it every day, but you might want to wear it for date night. You might not want to wear it every day to work. You can wear it when you go out with your girls, you know? As long as it's not super unsafe, that might be a better option. Live your best life. I don't know what you're gonna do, but for me, I'm gonna live a much healthier, better, beautiful life. And that includes my cosmetics. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to hear more things about natural beauty, DIYs, you want to see natural makeup alternatives in their reviews, comment below and subscribe to this channel to stay up to date. Thank you for watching. Mwah.